Good morning, Kasurians. Let's learn a new topic in MS Excel, and today's topic is charts. That is the different types of charts in MS Excel we are going to learn in this video. Let's recapitulate what is a chart. A chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It means जिस तरीके से हम मैथ्स में ग्राफ पे एक्स वाई एक्सिस को ज्वाइन करके लाइंस बनाते हैं, वैल्यूज को डिपिक्ट करते हैं, सेम वे अ चार्ट इज अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन in computer. It shows visualization of data which is easy to understand, more appealing, colorful and attractive. Let's start with different types of charts. So the different types of charts available in MS Excel starts with the very first common column chart. Column chart shows data changes over a period of time or illustrates comparisons among items. As the figure also shows, we were having sales of different areas, different regions and their values. So the x-axis shows different regions, that is the text, and the y-axis shows the values, and these values intersect to form a column. So column chart is showing the comparison of sales among different values. Coming to the second type of chart, we were having bar chart. Bar chart is same as column chart. The difference is in its horizontal and vertical shape. So the bar chart also illustrates comparison among individual items, as it is showing it that the favorite colors, the Canada and the US, two companies we have taken, and it is showing the favorite color of the people or the individuals living in those two countries. So a comparison is there in the form of bar. Coming to the third type of chart, we were having line chart. A line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. That is, instead of bar or a column, the line is drawn to show comparison among different things. So when we were having three values to be compared, for example in this chart, the wildlife population. So in 2017, it was for the bears, it was less than 20, whereas in 2018 it goes to the 60. So in this way, three different animals population in different years have been compared by using this line type of chart. Coming to the next chart, we were having area chart. As the name suggests, it emphasizes the area. It shows the change over a time. So the same wildlife population of bear, dolphins and whales, instead of line, can be shown by the area, and the area depicts how much ups and downs is there in the population of these three wildlife animals. Coming to pie chart, as the pie chart, the name suggests, it is in the shape of a circle. So a pie chart shows the size of items that make up a data series proportional to the sum of the items. As we all know, circle means angle. So the pie chart shows the angle of 360 degree and different values are compared with their percentage. So as the chart shows that the north sales is maximum, having more percentage as compared to the other areas of south, east and west. So this chart basically shows only one data series and is useful when to emphasize a significant element in the data. Coming to the next type of chart, we were having scatter chart. Scatter, as the name suggests, fall over. So in this chart there is no shape, there is no line, no bar, no column. So the scatter chart is basically used to show the relationship among the numeric values in several data series. So the dots or the plots two groups of numbers as one series of xy coordinate. So its charts only shows the intersection of x and y coordinates, doesn't draw any particular shape. Whereas in the last type of chart, that is definite chart, the chart shows the relationship of parts to a whole. However, it can contain more than one data series also. As the diagram shows, it is in a circle, so it is same to pie chart, but it is showing it more than one data series, whereas in pie chart we can show only one data series. Definite is used to show more than one data series so that the relation between different series can be shown and can be compared easily. These are the different types of charts that we are going to cover in the chapter of MS Excel, that is column chart, bar chart, line chart, area chart, scatter chart, pie chart, and in the last Duffner chart. Now it's come how we have to create the chart. So the steps to create chart are, we are having basically 3 steps to create a chart. The very first one is we have to select the data, that is the value which we have to represent as graphical representation. The second is we have to select the chart. So for selection of chart we require to click on insert tab, then we have to click on chart group, and we have to select the chart, the type of chart we have to create, the type of chart which we have to represent, and in the last we have to click on OK to show that chart. Let's do the graphical part of chart insertion. That is, in this diagram we can show that first we have to select the values, then we have to click on insert, then we have to select the type of chart, and then only we will be able to show the chart on the screen of the values which we have selected. So in this video we have learned different types of charts and how we can create this chart in our Excel sheet by using the values entered in the rows and columns. That's all for the day. Revise the concept. Have a nice day. Thank you.